If your brand isn't making headlines in today's fast-paced world, you might be missing out on major growth. Getting media coverage might sound daunting, but it all starts with knowing who to talk to. You want to dive into research and pinpoint the media folks who really get your industry and, more importantly, your audience. It's all about making connections. You want to reach out through emails, calls, or even social media. Do whatever it takes to get your story out there. And remember, persistence is key. So here's your tip. Get your press release ready before your big moment. It's like giving reporters a sneak peek of what's to come. And when you land that interview, nail down your main points and practice. You want to deliver sound bites that resonate. Becoming a go-to resource for reporters doesn't happen overnight, but by consistently offering valuable information, your brand could become the first name they think of. Follow us for more communication tips that will grow your brand. Start the conversation, change the game.